Panglima Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina Jenderal Valery Zaluzhnyi merilis rekaman resmi pertama MLRS M270 digunakan di medan perang di Ukraina, tanggal 30 Juli. MLRS M270 salah satu peluncur roket paling disegani dari Inggris. MLRS M270 milik Inggris diklaim mampu menyerang target hingga 80 km. Kini Ukraina punya dua roket jarak menengah. Sebelumnya Ukraina sudah mendapat HIMARS dari Amerika Serikat dan akan terus bertambah.
As of today, we have transferred 12 HIMARS to Ukraine. This is part of more than 20 that the United States and our allies have committed. Trained also are 200 Ukrainians on the HIMARS, and that training continues with many more.
Russia has tried and failed to break the morale of the Ukrainian armed forces as they defend their home. Ukraine's leadership also stands unbowed and unflinching. And we were fortunate today to have the opportunity to hear directly from my good friend, Oleksiy Reznikov, Ukraine's Minister of Defense,